Namaste students. First show began. I, JV and Dr. Vaishnavi Nikala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the microtubules. Microtubules are the polymers of tubulin that forms the part of the cytoskeleton and provides the structure and shape to a eukaryotic cell. My, Microtubules can grow as long as 50 micrometers and are dynamic. The outer diameter of the microtubule is between 23 to 27 nanometers, while the inner diameter is between 11 and 15 nanometers. They are formed by a polymerization of a dimer of two globular proteins, that is alpha and beta tubulin, into a protofilament that can be associated laterally from a hollow tube. The microtubules, the most common form of microtubules are consist of 13 protofilaments in the tubular arrangement. That is, the microtubules are very important in number of cellular process. Cellular process means the cell is the basic structure and functional and biological unit of any organisms. Okay. So as cell is a building block of life, so here all the processes are important. They involve in the maintaining the structure of the cell and together with the microfilament and the intermediate filament. Okay. So they forms the cytoskeleton. They also make up internal structures of cilia and flagella. Okay, and provide a platform for a secretory vesicles, organelles, and intercellular molecular macromolecular assemblies. So they also involve in the cell divisions and the major constituent of the mitotic spindle, which gives a pull to the eukaryotic chromosome apart. Microtubules are nucleated and organized by the microtubular organization in the center. Okay, so here the microtubular organizing center, such as the centromere, found in the center of any of the uh, cell or a basal body is found in a cilia or a flagella or a spindle poles found in most of the fungi. Okay. So there are many proteins that binds to the macrotubules, including the motor protein, kinase, or the dynein, or a microtubule serving the protein like catenin. The actin-like protein has a gram-positive bacterium, like Bacillus thuringiensis is a gram-positive and a soil-dwelling bacterium. So, which forms a microtubules like structure called nanotube involved in the plastid segregation. Okay. So, here plastid is a small extracellular chromosome of a DNA molecule within a cell that is physically separated from a chromosome DNA and can replicate independently. Okay. So the history of microtubules are the tubulin and the microtubule intermediate process like the locomotion were observed in by Leeuwenhoek in 1677. Uh, The fibrous nature of a flagella and other structures were discovered in 2 centuries later with the improved light microscope and confirmed in 20th century with the help of electron microscope and other biochemical studies. So the microtubule in vitro assay for a motor protein such as dyamine and kinase which reach the tagging of a molecule, microtubules with the help of a fluorescence and fixing either the microtubules or a motor protein to a microscopic slice and then visualizing the slice with the help of a microscope. Consequently, some microtubules process can be determined by chymograph. Okay. So, in the structure of eukaryotic microtubules, so here the microtubules are highly condensed polar molecules that as a key element of a eukaryotic cytoskeleton are essential for various cell function. Alpha and beta tubulin and a heterodimer containing one structural GTP and one hydrolyzable and exchangeable GTP is the building block of the microtubules and it forms by a sequential action of several molecular chaperonin. The GTP hydrolyzed in the microtubules lattice is mechanically coupled with the microtubule growth, which is little metastabilized and dynamic in nature. So the microtubules adopt several distinct higher order organization in cell division, cell morphogenesis. Okay. The de novo formation of microtubule in a cell requires conserved gamma tubule containing complex and targeting activity of regulatory proteins. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session. Thank you.